Hello there and welcome to another photo adventure. Today I've got something completely different for you all. I'm with a group of harpists in the Bluebells. Already they're just practicing now and getting set up and it sounds incredible. Just turn you around, just see if you can see quickly. If you want nice calm relaxing music, a nice calm relaxing video, keep watching. I'll also show you my settings and how I'm setting up to photograph these harps. They look incredible, and join me shortly when everything's ready and we get started. So, just listen to that. Absolutely beautiful, so calming. In the Bluebells, what could be better? I'll just show the back of the camera and my settings for this photograph. So for this, as you can see, it's quite dark in here. I'll just lighten the exposure up for you. My settings are, because it's so dark, I've upped the ISO to 400. I'm shooting at f6.3. I'm focused on Helen's head there, and that's just giving me a 20th of a second, which should just be quick enough to catch the fingers, maybe just blurring very, very slightly. Sounds beautiful. I'm going to grab a few photos of the others now and I'll put them on right now. So I've just moved everyone round. Look at that. I'll just show the back of the camera again. What I'm doing with this shot, again I've upped the ISO a little bit more again. I've opened the aperture to f8 just so that I can get them all in focus in one shot. I'm going to focus there on the middle one. We've got ISO 640, 50th of a second, and we should just catch all three of them focused. Beautiful. So I'm just going to set the video camera up now and just record the three of them just playing and just get the beautiful music. So 1 second. And give me a second to set up and I will show you what we're doing. So I'm now just going to set the GoPro up. I've got the camera recording video, so I'll put some video footage on shortly and I'll just give you a little taste with the GoPro as well. Right then, unfortunately it's almost time to go, so just setting up now, just a few photos with the 3 harps in the woods in the bluebells. I've had a fantastic time here, absolutely fantastic. So I'll just show you this last shot that I'm taking now. So it is literally just the 3 harps that we've been photographing. My ISO is still at 640 f8. I'm just a fraction underexposed because of the highlights blowing out on the front harp. 30th of a second. There's the shot. Stunning. So that's it for today. I'm just having a little look around, make sure nobody's left anything. I think we've got everything. But a fantastic couple of hours here with these harpists. So the one girl, Helen, she does it professionally. Helen Barley. I will get website and emails if anyone is interested in learning to play the harp. I'll drop a link below to Helen and just get in touch. She's a lovely girl. So yeah, I'll drop a link down in the description below to Helen. There are links as well to all the camera gear that I'm using. If you like the pictures or the video, please just drop me a comment below. Tell me what you like and which is your best photograph. I think they all look stunning. It's a beautiful place. I'm going to end the video now because we're going to go back to the pub where we've parked, get a quick drink. Well, it would be rude not to, wouldn't it, really? So here are the photographs that we've took today, a little bit more video footage. I hope you enjoy it, and until next time, take it easy.